bro. Oh man, every day's a trip. Every day's a blessing, that's the damn right. Hey, bro.
Me in Miami with it, had to drop the top and put lace backs and cats with it. I ain't never how the Rolls Royce niggas be, but I just never how a real nigga's supposed to be. Niggas made it out, cop a hoop and made it out. Took a flight, private flight, it's made it out. Huh? What did you say? I put home, do it late. Home, do I stay? Looking at the state of the bay, with the sun between my toes. Looking at them hoes, ooh, I like those. Looking at the NFL, Tyreek Hill, Freddie getting to the field. Yeah, running back, I'm a running back. I might just hit you with a play, then go hit a sack. Yeah, catch the vibe, put the motion you notion. You finna hit the fucking ocean. Yeah. Got the bags intact, nigga, where the fuck my money at? Where my money at? Gun coming out, coop like, where's that? Bad dope on my left and my right. Now I'm just feeling how to get first fight. Bad little thing, how to get up in my life. Fucking on the shawty, cause she got a bit. She got a fat old ass, I'm trying to clap on that ass. Big 2, 3, might as well run it back like big do me. Something that you can. You understand that I've been the man. You niggas get the sauce on the nigga. But I ain't playing, I'ma get to the figures, nigga. It don't matter, I'ma change it up every other day. And I'ma get paid. You like the hair, I'ma change it up some more. You like the snare, I'ma flame it up some more. You looking nice as big.
Hey, yo. Oh man, every day's a trip. Every day's a blessing, that's the damn right. Hey, bro. Yeah, this is wonderful. Oh yeah. Damn, this is nice. Ain't nobody out here. Nobody staying out here. They ain't got the pool tables out here. Yeah, that thing look too sweet. This is perfect. Pool tables down. It's a vibe for real. Man, it's a vibe for real. Yes, sir. We're more out here, y'all. We headed to the beach today. I might just stick my toes in the water. But damn, bro. Like this, like young, this is love. Like what? Beautiful as fuck out here. Like, oh man, we just enjoying this. We just enjoying this. So like Miami, Florida, what's up, man? And I just look, man, we in Broward County. Shout out Kodak, man. I might just see Kodak, man. Why we out here, man? Let's get it. We about to lay up today. Working though every day. Hey, bro. Oh. Whoa. Oh my God, yo. This is beautiful. Whoa. Look how amazing the waters are. Yo. Y'all can't even see how whoa, what? How clear the waters are, bro. It's amazing. I just got a question, like, who wouldn't live out here? And it'd be like this all year round. I'm just saying. That's crazy. Uber driver said he came from Atlanta out here. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. This thing beautiful, bro. This thing's so beautiful. Let's get it though. Yeah. Never let them tell me no. That's all we yes. I can't get over how blue the waters are, bro. Can't get over how blue the waters are. Snatch. Yo, these waves are beautiful. Yo, these waves are beautiful. Get it. Knock me out. Just look at this. Bro, you can't get over how blue this water is, bro. Look. I gotta say real quick, am I tripping? Or like, do niggas be like capping, like hyping shit up, like just talking just to talk? Like if you away, except they know you in another state, you away. Like, yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying? When you come by, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, tap in, you know what I'm saying? Let's lock in. Hey, bro, we gonna get to work. Or hey, bro, stop by my place, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, this and that. Like, you supposed to do this and that. But when you come around, when you actually, like, around, they just be like, oh, word? You here? Or you? Oh, okay. And then you try to go ghost. I had these people go ghost. Like, bro, we supposed to be, nigga, you supposed to take this as a business opportunity. Niggas go ghost. Oh no, I can't even reach you now that I'm around. I'm in the city. Now that I'm around, I can't even reach you. But before, when you thought I was far gone, I could talk to you. Oh yeah, bro, like yeah. But when I'm around, it'd be like, you ghost. I don't know if I'm the only one that knows that, but like that shit is weird and crazy. But anyway, we you know what I'm saying? It's all good vibes though. We strictly doing business though. Good vibes though, good vibes, shorty. Let's get it. We about to go eat. We about to go hopefully get some more of that lemon pepper, I think. Alright. Oh y'all, so look, it's called Quickies. That's the place I was at. That drink tastes good. Oh y'all, so look. Ooh, it's a vibe, Look where we at, Cookies. Let's get it. I should be eating healthy though. I mean, I'm gonna try to get a healthy meal though. Let's get it. I said, oh yeah, we trying to get some ice cream. I said, why not? Why not get some ice cream while we at it? Thank y'all. They say I love you like a fat kid, love cake. Love you like a fat kid, love some ice cream. I'm that fat kid, man. Shout out to them. Get me right. Let's get it, yes sir, sir. Look. So we went back to that spot. You know what I'm saying? It's called Quickies. And you know, I ain't trying to be fat, but your boy is kind of fat. Hold on, bro. Turn this damn TV down. Turn the goddamn TV down, yo. Not while I'm recording. So look, yo. Went back to Quickies and got me a little sandwich. I think that's chicken, right? Yeah, that's chicken. Chicken sandwich. Put my tomato on there. But yes, sir, man. I told lady, put that lemon pepper salt. Put that lemon pepper on there. She went ahead and did that for me, you know what I'm saying? Crushed the ice cream. But yes, sir. Just had to get a little quick meal in.